Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add files to multiple folders all at once in Google Drive, and I will explain to you what I'm meaning by that. So what I mean is not just copy and paste files between folders. So for example, and to explain, I will show you this file. For example, if you just copy and paste it, let's create a new file. Okay, let's make a new file. So to make things more easier, let's call it YouTube file. And let's type on it YouTube 1, 2, 3. So after that, and as you will see, this file will appear on my drive. And what can happen here is if I just copy this by clicking on Command C or Control C and go to paste it in another folder. So this one is a copy. So if I make a modification on the YouTube file, the first file, it will not be shown on this copy. It's just a copy. It's a separate file. It's another file. It will take double the size of the file on your Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to add the same file in multiple folders. And to do that, we have to go again to let's go to the original. Let's refresh. Okay. This is YouTube file, the original one. So to send it to multiple folders, and at the same time, if you make modification in one of them, it will be shown on all of the files. You have to click on More Actions. And after that, go to this Organize, this option, and click on Add Shortcut. And here it will give you the folders that you have, and you can choose where you want to add this shortcut. For example, I will add this shortcut in the YouTube folder, and let me go and add the shortcut also. One moment. Okay, let's make it editor, click add shortcut. And I will add shortcut also on download. So I added two shortcuts for the same file. So when I will enter now to download folder, I will find this shortcut. And to know that it's a shortcut, you will find this white icon next to the file. Let me remove this one, it's an old one. So now when I open, it will take me directly to the original file. Directly. I don't need to do anything more. And also if I go to YouTube, I will find also this one is the copy, but this one is the shortcut. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.